What's up, everybody, and welcome to the Mentors Collective on Business. I am Dr. Jay Feldman. I'm going to be your host, and this is just going to be a little introduction about this channel and what it's all about, and if you're actually going to get value from it. So this channel is going to be hosted by me. I have about 10 years of business experience, and over the years, I've seen a lot of bad information out there. And I've actually started 6 companies, not all of which have been successful, and I don't have any crazy skills. I'm actually trained in medicine. I'm a medical doctor. But entrepreneurship runs in my blood, and I just could not stay away from it. So if you are like me and you are desperate to start your own business, maybe you have a whole bunch of ideas, but you're not a technology guru, you're not a coder, you don't know what to do, this channel is going to be for you. I'm going to walk you through every single step to brainstorming whatever business idea it's going to be that you are actually going to take with, run with, and scale. And then every step along the way, starting from zero, if you don't know anything, this channel is going to be exactly the resource that you need, from how to pick an idea that's going to work, how much money you need to start it, how to start a business with $0 at all, how to avoid paying thousands of dollars for classes that aren't going to help you with anything, what businesses to avoid, what legal implications are involved. Really, if any of these things apply to you, this channel is going to be for you. And I'm going to do my very best to give you as much value as I possibly can. I have a wealth of knowledge. I've failed several times. I've succeeded several times. I started a 6-figure company while still in medical school and sold it while still in medical school. I have started a product company. I have started a nutritional supplement company. I know a lot about the media. And again, I have no training in entrepreneurship. I didn't take any business classes. I don't have an MBA. I have a DO. I'm a medical doctor. And over the years, I've built up these repertoire of skill sets in business and in marketing that I'm going to teach you all of my best pearls on to hopefully save you a whole bunch of time and get you to be to a successful place that you want to be at. Now, I'm going to give you a fair warning. If entrepreneurship and business is something that you're interested in because it's appealing and it looks really cool, because it does. I mean, I follow the same people you probably do, who are sitting on the beach, driving their Lamborghinis, and you only see that. But I'm gonna warn you up front. If you're gonna take this journey with me, being an entrepreneur is waking up every day earlier than everybody else, hopefully getting your mindset right, doing your run, doing your meditation, sitting down and getting kicked in the nuts over and over again. Or if you're a female, kicked in the genitals, whatever that might be. It's tough. It's tough out there. It's a hard world. It's competitive. It's crap. It's a roller coaster. There's really high days and there's really low days. A lot of my businesses have seen me and my business partner sitting across from me ended up crying in the car because we saw one of our competitors come out with like a $500,000 marketing campaign on our biggest marketing day in history. But like I said, you're going to be taking this journey with me. It's going to be hard, but I'm going to walk you through every single step of the way. So tune into the next episode. What you're going to expect out of the following episodes are some episodes that are just me talking about different strategies in business, how to choose something, how to do X, Y, and Z. And then I'm also going to bring on some experts to talk to you about various subjects that I've been interested in that maybe I'm not a full-on expert on, such as Amazon, such as drop shipping, such as manufacturing over in China, such as apps. So we're going to have a lot of really cool people on this show. I've been fortunate enough to set up some interviews with some amazing people. So be sure to tune in, and I would really appreciate if you subscribe, and if you tag me on Instagram, take a screenshot of you watching these episodes, tag me on Instagram, and I'm going to share it, and I'm going to get in touch with you. And hopefully we can get some of your questions answered on this show, maybe even get you featured on here. So welcome to the Mentors Collective. Again, this is going to be the most valuable content on business and entrepreneurship that you have ever received. I make that promise to you. So again, thank you so much for tuning in and listening to our episodes, and I really look forward to the next episode. I'll see you soon.